wanna be round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, oh so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in, yeah, that's how I roll.
Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Nat. If you're new here, my name is Natalie and I am a mom of 6. And on my channel, you'll find lots of cleaning, get it all done videos, cooking, and grocery hauls. So if you like those type of videos, make sure you subscribe down below. I upload twice a week, so make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads.
This is me, I still on it, 'cause you all wanna be loved.
So in today's video, we're doing a fridge clean with me. I do live in an apartment complex, so my fridge isn't super big. So in this video, I will show you how I maximize space in my refrigerator to get everything organized. I started off with taking everything out of the refrigerator and putting it on the counter so that I can kind of group everything together. My vision for the fridge was to have a well-organized space to where the kids had access to fruits, vegetables, our drinks were readily available for us, and to not have a whole bunch of leftovers, because in our household we don't truly eat leftovers like that. So I just wanted to be able to fit the food that we did do in our last grocery shopping trip into the fridge.
All I wanna do is just say, you don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over and over, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice in your head, and you wanna hear it again. So you play it over and over and over, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah. Ooh, yeah. This is me, I'm so real, and you all wanna be round, and you all wanna be round a champion, a champion. This is me, I still on it, 'cause you all wanna be loved.
So once I was done taking everything out of the fridge, I went straight into cleaning it. I think cleaning the fridge has to be one of those chores that I will be honest that I don't like doing much. It's something about sticking my hand in the fridge and it's cold and it's moist and it's wet. I don't know, I just don't like it. So you guys, I said all that to say that I delegate that chore to my husband as much as I can, but he's in school right now, so I'll give him some leeway and I will go ahead and be the one to clean out the fridge until he's done with school, y'all. I'm curious to know, what chore is it that you dislike the most? Like, what is one household chore that you truly do not enjoy doing? I mean, you do it because you have to, but you don't enjoy doing it. So leave a comment below and let me know what that chore is.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, scream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel?
Alright, so once we're done cleaning out the fridge, I went ahead and started to throw away the old food that was in the fridge. Either it was takeout that we bought during the week or food that was just sitting in the fridge for a very, very long time. I am learning to not buy as much fruits and vegetables as we've been buying for the last few weeks, because I realized that either one, we forget about like what we bought, or two, we don't use it fast enough, so therefore it spoils. So my goal for this cleaning is to be able to see what exactly I have in my fridge so that we are not wasting any food. My family does eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, but I realize that me and my husband like to bulk buy, and when we bulk buy, we actually waste a lot more food because we're buying more than what we're eating at the current time, so therefore food is going bad faster. So that is one of my goals, is to be able to see exactly what I have in the fridge so that when I make my grocery list, I am not overbuying. The only thing that I labeled in this video was the actual almond milk, only because that's the container that I will continue using for our almond milk. But everything else I pretty much left bare and didn't label because it might change what I put in each bin weekly. So because of that, I just went ahead and left the bins bare and just grouped together like cheese with cheese, meat with meat, things like that, so that like we can see it in front of us, so it wasn't really hard to know what was in what bin.
Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out, but I have never given up. Do it again, just do it again. Sleep is for the dead and love is for the weak. Yeah, play me till I repeat and fade. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, do it again, just do it again. Yeah, you were what I need, don't you understand? We were made to fall in love. Give me what I
Alright, so once I was done with grouping everything together, now it's time to just kind of arrange everything inside of the fridge. I do not put meat inside of my refrigerator anymore. We did buy a deep freezer. That is where we're keeping our meat now. So the fridge is strictly for like our water, our fruits, anything like ice cream and things like that. I put those things in a deep freezer because it just eliminated all of the space that we needed from before. So now I no longer have to worry about those things. The containers that I'm using will be linked in my Amazon store down below, so make sure you click the link in my description box and you'll be able to see all of the bins and containers that I use in my Amazon shop.
repeat and fade. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, do it again, just do it again. Yeah, give it to me, give it to me, just do it again. Give it to me, give it to me, yeah. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out, so I never give up. Yeah, just do it again.
I did wash our fruits and vegetables with the veggie wash, which I will have in the description box down below for you guys.
Sleep is for the dead and love is for the weak. Yeah, play till I repeat and fade. You can turn me upside down, do it again, just do it again. Give it to me, give it to me, just do it again.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around,
So for this week, the kids were out of school. So what I did with our fruits and vegetables is I actually put them in Ziploc bags. Easier for them to get it when it was snack time. They can just go in the fridge themselves and get it. So it made it a lot easier for us, in that like lunch and snack time kind of went by a little bit faster than having to stop and like group everything for them. So that truly helped us a lot this week. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is how the fridge turned out. I am so happy. It is super organized. I have easy access to everything. The kids can get things when they need it. And you guys know I am all for my kids being able to get things on their own, because it makes mom life a lot easier for me. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
You won't let me drown.
Have you seen our latest video? If not, it's right under this box, literally. Like, just click the box right below here, this box here. Click it and you will see our latest uploads. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel. That's over in that box. We'll see you guys in our next